Years of planning have gone into the architectural plans for Trinity Episcopal Church and School. There are brochures located on your tables, so you may follow along as we take a closer look. First, let's examine the plans for the church. Looking at the plans for the church block, gray indicates the existing structure, gold indicates areas to be renovated, and dark blue areas signify new construction. You will first see the addition of a new narthex at the front of the church, adding a much-needed gathering space. Here is the artist's rendition of what that space will look like once complete. You will see that the style mimics the current church facade. In gold, you will see the sanctuary. There are plans for the renovation and refurbishment of the sanctuary space. The total cost of the narthex addition and the sanctuary refurbishment is $2.35 million. Also being renovated are the restrooms that the church and school currently share. This is estimated to cost $287,000. Finally, the existing youth house will be removed, and in its place will be the new Trinity Ministry Center and parking lot, a multi-use facility that can house both youth and adult activities and meetings. This new facility will cost $670,000. In its entirety, additions and renovations to the church block will cost $3.3 million. Now, let's take a look at the new school additions that will be located on the current middle school block. The new school construction will be attached to the existing middle school. The new entrance will face the corner of Moody and Guadalupe Streets. Looking at the architectural layout, the new entrance will be located in the top right corner of the block. In dark blue, you can see the new construction of a two-story addition with 8 additional classrooms and a centralized office space. This will take the place of the portable building currently in the church parking lot. Renovations also will take place to add locker rooms for the middle school. This has a cost of $5.9 million. This drawing represents the second story of the school addition. The current middle school parking lot will be removed and become the playground area. This new area is within 100 square feet of the size of the existing playground. Parking will be moved to the Vine Street side of the block, next to the Early Learning Center. The architect has provided options for more classrooms if additional funding can be raised. 4 additional classrooms can be added to the build-out for an additional $1.3 million. Or 9 additional classrooms can be added to the build-out for an additional $3.3 million. This should allow the entire school to sit on the same city block, providing greater student safety and security. Thank you for joining us as we build together for our future.